If you are planning to upgrade your PC soon, listen up. The RAM prices are going to rise like crazy. Samsung and other memory suppliers are raising the DDR5 prices by around 30% to 60%. Why? Because all the factories are shifting the production to AI chips, meaning there's a less supply for normal consumer RAM, which means higher price for us gamers lah. I'm not saying this is happening in Singapore yet. These are happening in the US, which might happen to Singapore also. So if you are still camping and pray for the price to drop, I think the price is not going to drop. In fact, it's going to do the opposite. It's going to go up. Again, like I always say, there's no such thing as a good time to build a PC. Just build when your wallet is ready. The longer you wait, the more expensive you'll get.